All right, hello everybody. So my name is Larry Stewart Zaborski. Today is November 30th, 2021, and today we're going to be doing the sheep brain dissection. So the dissection was already performed, and we're just going to be going over the anatomical landmarks of the sheep brain. So just to show you, this is the this is the left side of the sheep brain. So we're going to go down and start off with the frontal lobes. So this is looking at its facing forward. Right in the front is your frontal lobe. You're going to look on top is your parietal lobe. This is just the left side, just pointing it out. On the bottom is going to be your temporal lobe, and on the back is going to be your occipital lobe. So if you look on top, you're going to see the ridges and the folds. Those are going to be like your bumps. That's your gyri. If you look further in, like your grooves and the indentations, like right there, those are your sulci. So the one of the fissures on the brain, the longitudinal fissure, was actually, I cut it right down. So it's going to be, just imagine the two halves, which I have right here. That right there is your longitudinal fissure. If you go along the side, right there is your lateral fissure. So the next thing, within the longitudinal fissure, you're going to find the corpus callosum. Corpus callosum should be located right about there. Close to where I was pointing out, you're going to also find the thalamus and the hypothalamus. The thalamus is a little bit more anterior, closer to the anterior of the brain. Going a little bit down, you're going to find the midbrain, which is about right there. Going a little bit down, you're going to find the medulla oblongata. So another part you're going to need to know is the cerebral cortex, which kind of refers to more or less the majority of the brain. The frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the occipitals, the temporals, kind of more so the brain. If you look closely, there's always white matter and gray matter. You can kind of differentiate it just by looking at it. And the final part is the meninges. Meninges is actually the first part that you got to remove. It's these like gray skin-like fibers that you that kind of overlap over around the brain. So that's the sheep brain dissection. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.